Hey everyone! Welcome back to the CyberNext channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to enable and use the Windows Sandbox feature in Windows 11. If you've ever wanted to test software, browse suspicious files, or experiment with settings without risking your main system, Windows Sandbox is the perfect tool for you. It's lightweight, secure, and super easy to set up. Let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure your PC meets the requirements for Windows Sandbox. You'll need Windows 11 Pro or Enterprise, at least 4 GB of RAM, a 64-bit CPU with virtualization capabilities enabled in the BIOS. First, let's check if virtualization is enabled. Go to Task Manager and select the Performance tab. You will see the virtualization status here. If you haven't already enabled virtualization, you'll need to do that first. Restart your PC and enter the BIOS or UEFI settings. This usually involves pressing a key like F2, F10, Delete, or Escape. During startup, check your motherboard manual if you're unsure. Once in the BIOS, look for an option called Intel VTX, AMD V, or SVM mode, and make sure it's enabled. Save and exit, and your PC will restart. Now that virtualization is enabled, let's turn on Windows Sandbox. Here's how. Open the Start menu and type Turn Windows Features on or off. Click the top result. In the Windows Features window, scroll down and check the box next to Windows Sandbox. Click OK, and Windows will install the necessary files. This might take a minute or two. Once it's done, you'll be prompted to restart your PC. Go ahead and do that. After your PC restarts, it's time to launch Windows Sandbox. Just follow these steps. Open the Start menu and type Windows Sandbox. Click the top result to launch it. And there you go! You're now in a completely isolated, temporary desktop environment. Anything you do here won't affect your main system. You can download a file from the internet and run it in the Sandbox, or you can copy and paste an already downloaded file into the Sandbox and run it. It works just like a regular Windows desktop, but it's completely secure. When you close Sandbox, everything inside it is permanently deleted, perfect for testing. And that's it! You've successfully enabled and used Windows Sandbox in Windows 11. It's a fantastic tool for testing software, browsing safely, or just experimenting without any risk. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.